Hello with your national weather forecast as we take a look at what we're expecting for tomorrow. That's for Saturday the 14th of February, and then a quick look at your Sunday as well. First to the national picture, and again we are expecting widespread rain and thunderstorms across Queensland being drawn in by the surface trough across western parts of the state. Flooding is possible in some areas, and we do have a dedicated severe weather update video, especially if you are in the southeast of the state. We could see some afternoon thunderstorms spill down into northern inland parts of New South Wales. But away from the showers and storms, you will see a dry and settled day across southeastern parts of Australia. This is due to this very slow moving high pressure system which will settle over Tasmania, bringing a run of mild and also sunny days. Mild conditions extending all the way into southern parts of Western Australia, but we will see a few showers push onto the far southwest as this trough moves onshore. For Northern Australia, widespread showers and thunderstorms yet again. We could see heavy falls for the Kimberley and also parts of the Northern Territory as well. So now state by state look, starting off with Queensland. Again, the focus will be across southeastern, eastern and also central parts of the state. Pretty much anywhere east of this surface trough, we'll see widespread showers and thunderstorms, and flooding is possible in some areas, including riverine flooding and flash flooding. And that's because days of rain have really wet the catchments, and so be sure to check for the latest information before you head out. Later tonight, we'll see that rain easing gradually across the southeast of the state, but as you can see, widespread rain and thunderstorms will continue across the rest of the state into the evening. And it will be quite a cool day as well beneath that cloud cover, temperatures well below average. Brisbane, a cool day, just 24 degrees, rain, but that will gradually start to ease as we head into the night. Cairns, possible shower too with a top of 33 degrees. Now to New South Wales, we'll see rain across the northeast of the state, possible moderate to heavy falls from Tweed Heads out towards the border ranges. Showers all the way down the coast, including for Newcastle, Sydney, and as far south as about Wollongong. Afternoon thunderstorms for the northwest of the state, but for remaining inland areas, will be a bit of a different story with light easterly winds coming through. We'll see clear conditions all the way from the ACT through the Riverina and out towards Broken Hill. So for Sydney, a cloudy day, showers, not expecting anything more than a millimetre or so with 26 degrees, dry and partly cloudy in Canberra with 25. Now to Victoria, we'll see a little bit of patchy morning fog and cloud about the south of the state, but that will break apart and will be a mostly sunny day right across the state. So we are expecting to see light east to south easterly winds coming through. That will raise the temperature compared to the last few days, and we'll see even higher temperatures on Sunday. For Melbourne, a little bit patchy cloud in the morning, but then a mostly sunny day with 24 degrees. Warm north of the Divide, getting to 34 degrees in Mildura. Now to Tasmania, we are expecting a cloudy start. Cloud will gradually break away from the west and also south of the state, but it will stick around along the east coast, and we could even see a very light shower between about St Helens and down towards Port Arthur, but then a dry day for the rest of the state with light winds. So for Hobart, partly cloudy, 22 degrees, slightly warmer in Launceston with 24 and partly cloudy as well. Now to South Australia, we'll see a little bit of cloud and very patchy showers possible by the Eyre Peninsula during the morning, but then that will gradually lift. We are expecting a mostly sunny day across the state with just a bit of high cloud. Winds coming through from the east to southeast, temperatures will start to rise, except for along the coast, temperatures remaining in the mid to high 20s, but 30s elsewhere, and we'll see a few afternoon showers and thunderstorms in the far northeast of the state. So Adelaide, a warm day, 33 degrees, even warmer on Sunday, and warmer right across the state on Sunday with northerly winds starting to pick up. Now to Western Australia, we'll see a little bit of cloud, very isolated showers along the south coast east of Mount Esperance during the morning, but then a sunny start for the rest of the state. That's before a trough pushes over the coast late in the afternoon. We'll see a few showers building about the Capes in the afternoon, moving eastwards and getting to about Albany by midnight, and it will be a little bit windy as well. So for Perth, a hot start, 35 degrees. Once that trough moves onto the coast, those will swing to southwesterly winds and will be cooler into the evening and remaining quite unsettled up into the Pilbara and interior of the state. And now to Northern Australia, we'll see rain and storms gradually starting to clear away from the interior, which will mean a dry day on the way for Alice Springs, 30 degrees. Heavy showers and storms are possible for the Kimberley, out towards the Gregory and Tanami district as well, which could lead to flash flooding, and showers and storms and a bit of a cooler day for Darwin, just 30 degrees for you there. Now to Sunday, we'll again see rain across New South Wales and Queensland. A much cooler day along the east coast, just 23 degrees in Brisbane and 26 in Sydney, but with those northerly winds, we will see temperatures climbing even further for Adelaide, Melbourne, Canberra and also Hobart. A little bit cooler out in Perth, 26 degrees, and broad areas of showers and thunderstorms continue across our tropical north. That's your forecast for this weekend. Stay up to date with the latest information and warnings on our website app. Follow us on social media, and as always, have a great weekend.